Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup. As you all know, I apply quite a lot of makeup. I like to wear a lot, you know. Go hard or go home, hun. I'm not buying makeup, expensive makeup, to look the same. I want to look completely different. So that's what I do. So I'm going to show you what I do when I remove my makeup. So here we go. First thing I like to do is I like to get my hair out the way because I've got quite long hair and it really irritates me when I'm trying to wash my face. So I just brush through my hair just so it's nice and not free with my Tangle Teaser. Shout out to you, Laura Barron, for that. And I just apply, I just put on a headband, any headband. I like this one because I got it from a secret project that no one can know anything about yet. A very secret project. A very exciting secret project. So yeah, just pull it up on my big fat head and get my hair out the way like so. Then, eyelashes, see ya. And you are coming with me too, so let's go. Hello, here we are in my bathroom. Sorry if the lighting's awful. It is. So, cotton pads, that's what you need. This is what I use anyway. I get a cotton pad, multiple. Oh, I'm so weird. And I get to the Clinique Take the Day Off. Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover for lids, lashes and lips. This stuff is like an oil and it is brill. Like honestly, watch, it just melts my makeup off. So I use this to take pretty much all my makeup off. I just tip some onto the cotton pad like so. You don't need to like drench it, like literally this much, and I just go over my face. I like to take my lips off first because I don't know about you, but I feel like when you just want to get your makeup off, you know, when it's just had it on all day, that my lipstick starts to annoy me the most. So I'm just like, oh, let's get it off. I know, this is like, I did a glow up transformation, this is glow down. Like goodbye. Okay, so now that is all off. Next step, Pixi Milky Hydrating Cleanser. Come to me. I love this stuff. Right, I like to make sure my hair is like fully behind me. Just wet my face, just with my hands, like that. Not too much. And literally tiny bit of the Milky Hydrating Cleanser, and I just like to rub this in all over my face. It smells weird, but it makes my skin feel so nice. I literally just run the water and just rinse it. My skin feels so nice and clean. I've just dried my face just with a towel. And now for the next step. The next step is Pixi Milky Tonic. You just need a cotton pad again, and you literally just tip some onto the cotton pad like so, and literally just go over your whole face with this. It smells so nice, and my skin after doing all this just feels so clean and fresh. I love the smell of this stuff. That is literally how I take off my makeup. Let's go back to the room for the rest. We back! Pixi Serum. It's a pipette, you literally just do a few little drops, like in them fancy Instagram videos, onto your face. It's only me that uses this, that's why I don't really mind like rubbing the pipette on my face, because it's only me that uses it. If it's someone else using it with you, I wouldn't really recommend that. Like, obviously, drop it on. Just rub it in like so. Make sure that when you're rubbing things in, you obviously have clean hands, otherwise, what are you doing, girl? So it works for me with heavy makeup, it'd work for you with any other makeup as well. Like, I've taken like full drag makeup off with that. Like, it works, and my skin does not feel bad at all. It's not crying, so we're good. So if you enjoyed this video and my other videos, please give it a big fat thumbs up to help more people see it. Subscribe down below and become part of the fam. And until next time, leave me a little comment down below of what your favourite cleanser is to take your makeup off. Bet my mum puts a baby wipe. Bet she does. Until next time, goodbye everyone. Thank you for watching. Bloody love yous. Bye. Also guys, don't forget to follow my Instagram, which is bethcrawshaw_, and my TikTok, Beth Crawshaw, for more content every day.